How to fix slow sensitivity in Roblox PS4. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to resolve slow sensitivity in Roblox on your PlayStation 4 controller. It's a straightforward process, so be sure to follow along. Before I begin, I want to mention that I'm recording this on PC because I don't currently have the means to record on the PlayStation console. To fix slow sensitivity, enter any experience and state of the lobby, press the Start or the Options button, then navigate to the menu and switch to Settings. Here you can adjust various camera and sensitivity settings. However, the most crucial adjustment is the camera sensitivity. Instead of lowering it, if you're addressing the slow sensitivity, increase it to the maximum. After making this change, it will be saved. You can also adjust other settings such as movement and camera modes if desired. Once you have increased the sensitivity, return to the game and the sensitivity will be appropriately adjusted. If it's too slow, increase it. If it's too fast, decrease it. It's worth noting that some users have reported issues with the sensitivity changes not taking effect in-game due to the long-standing bug or the glitch. If this occurs, consider adjusting your controller settings, such as lowering or changing the dead zones and acceleration. While this is the more advanced and won't be covered in this video, making the sensitivity adjustment in the settings within any experience should ensure proper adjustment, allowing you to address the slow or the fast sensitivity in the Roblox on the PlayStation 4. Feel free to customize it to your preference, and remember that you can access these settings in any game at any time. I hope this guide has been helpful. If it has, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.